You're great at your job. You show up, you get things done, you even lead others. But now, you're ready for something more. You want freedom, control, ownership. You want to stop working for someone else and start building something of your own. But here's the truth no one tells you. You can't succeed as an entrepreneur with an employee mindset. Becoming an entrepreneur isn't just about changing what you do, it's about changing how you think. Employees are trained to follow systems. Entrepreneurs build them. Employees look for safety. Entrepreneurs learn to manage risk. The skills may overlap, but the mindset is entirely different. Today, I'll walk you through 5 critical mindset shifts you must make to go from employee to entrepreneur. As an employee, you expect stability, a paycheck every 2 weeks, a manager who tells you what to do. As an entrepreneur, there is no safety net. You are the safety net. No one is coming to save you. No one is handing you a task list. The results or the failures are on you. That's terrifying. But it's also incredibly empowering. Employees are paid to follow instructions. Entrepreneurs are paid to solve problems. You have to think on your feet. Adapt quickly. Ask, what's the opportunity here? Not what should I do? The most successful founders aren't the smartest. They're the most resourceful. Most employees are trained to avoid failure. Entrepreneurs must get comfortable with it. You will launch things that flop. You'll make the wrong hires. You'll lose money. But you'll also learn fast and pivot faster. The goal isn't to avoid risk. The goal is to understand it, control it, and move anyway. In a job, routine is rewarded. In entrepreneurship, routine kills innovation. One day you're selling. The next day you're designing a website. The day after, you're doing customer service or raising money. You must become mentally flexible and emotionally steady. Pivot, experiment, shift gears when needed. That's the game. As an employee, you're used to asking, can I do this? Do I have approval? As an entrepreneur, you give yourself permission. You own the wins. You own the failures. You own the entire direction. That's freedom. That's pressure. That's what makes it worth it. Most people don't fail because they're not smart enough. They fail because they're not mentally prepared. If you're leaving your job to start a business, ask yourself, are you willing to take responsibility for everything? Are you willing to fail forward? Are you willing to think differently every single day? Because if the answer is yes, you're already halfway there. Leaving your job might be the scariest thing you'll ever do, but it also might be the most powerful thing you ever do. Not because it's easy, but because it forces you to become someone new. Someone who doesn't wait to be told what to do. Someone who leads, adapts, builds. Someone who takes ownership of their life. You don't need more permission. You need belief and the courage to back it up with action. Welcome to entrepreneurship. No bosses, no excuses. Just you and your vision. Let's build.